In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a video by email with Hubspot. This is a simple yet effective way to enhance your communication, whether you're reaching out to clients, colleagues, or potential customers. Let's dive right in. To get started, open your preferred web browser and head over to the Hubspot website. Once you're there, take a moment to locate the login button, which you'll find conveniently placed at the top right corner of the page. Clicking on Login will take you to the Sign In page where you will see various options to access your HubSpot account. Now, if you're like me and prefer a seamless sign-in process, HubSpot offers the option to sign in using your Google account. Simply click on Sign In with Google and then choose your Google account from the list. This eliminates the need to remember yet another password, making the process quicker and hassle-free. Once you're signed in, navigate to the CRM section. You'll see this option in the main dashboard, which is the heart of your HubSpot account, housing all your customer and contact information. In the CRM dashboard, proceed by clicking on Contacts. This is where all your contacts are listed, giving you easy access to your network. Next, find and click on the specific contact you wish to send the video to. This step brings you directly to their dedicated profile page, comprising all the interactions and details you have accumulated over time. Now, shift your attention to the left side menu and select Email. This opens up an email composition window, setting the stage for you to create your message. From within the email window, look for the paperclip icon, which you'll recognize as the universal symbol for attachments. Click on it to start the process of attaching your video. Upon clicking, a small menu will appear. Select Upload New from this menu to initiate the upload process. Your next step is to browse your local computer or device for the specific video file you intend to send. Once you've located the video file, simply select it and confirm the upload. You'll see a progress bar indicating the status of your upload. Once it's complete, the video will appear as an attachment in your email. Finally, craft a concise yet engaging message to accompany your video. A well-written message is key to ensuring your recipient understands the context and importance of the content you're sharing. After you're happy with your email, hit send and your video will be on its way. And that's how you send a video by email using HubSpot. By following these steps, you can effortlessly enhance your email communication and engage more effectively with your audience. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you found this guide useful.